Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Anaconda is a powerful and popular distribution of Python and R programming languages for data science, machine learning, and scientific computing. It comes with a variety of pre-installed libraries and tools that make it easy to manage packages, dependencies, and environments. In this tutorial, we will cover the basics of Anaconda, including installation, package management, and creating virtual environments. Anaconda comes with its own package manager called Conda. It simplifies the process of installing, updating, and managing packages. Here are some useful Conda commands. Install a package. Update a package. Remove a package. Search for packages. List installed packages. Virtual environments allow you to create isolated environments with specific versions of packages, avoiding conflicts between different projects. Conda makes it easy to manage virtual environments. Create a virtual environment. Activate a virtual environment. Deactivate a virtual environment. Let's create a virtual environment named MyDataEnv and install some common data science packages. This example demonstrates creating a virtual environment, activating it, installing data science packages, verifying the installation, and deactivating the environment. Anaconda is a versatile tool that simplifies the management of Python packages and environments, making it an essential tool for data scientists and developers. Explore the Anaconda documentation for more detailed information and advanced usage. ChatGPT